Welcome to Take a Lipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to extract WinRAR files on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, as this video is on WinRAR, so I'm expecting you all have WinRAR software installed already. If you don't, just go ahead and install it. After that, just go to the file which you want to extract. For example, this is my WinRAR file which I want to extract. So I'm just gonna right click on it and just click on Open with WinRAR. And after that, I'm just gonna get this menu. So this is the WinRAR software. From here, I need to extract it. So I'm just gonna select extract to. Then just select the place where you want to extract it. For example, desktop, my folder, right in this folder. And I'm just gonna create a new folder for this and name it my files. Then I'm gonna click on OK. And there you go, my files has been extracted. I can close this. And these were all the files inside the WinRAR file. And basically that is how to extract WinRAR files on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.